So here's my guide to make use of the PX1 battery adapter. The PX1 battery is needed for all camera. For example, my first gen Canon Q17. I have uploaded the model on Thingiverse, so you can check on the description for the link. You're gonna need one battery adapter that can be printed, one diode. The diode should be the Schottky diode or the germanium, and of course one battery SR44. You can buy it from almost everywhere. It's a silver oxide type. Why we use this battery and why we need the diode, I explain everything in the link in Thingiverse. And you need another tweezer. So the final result should be something like this. Yes, the wire of the diode is bent in here to make it connect to the battery, and this side will be here, so it can be connected to the other polar in the camera. Okay, so we will start by find the polar of the diode. You will see a mark here. Yeah, it's a gray mark on a black diode. Focus on it. Okay, and it should connect to the negative side of the battery. So we start by putting through a hole here. My design have a hole, but when you printed it, it might be filled by the material, so you must somehow dig it out if it's blocked. Okay, but if it's not blocked, you can put it through here. It's pretty easy. And then you use a tweezer, or you can use your hand as well to bend the wire here. Okay, then it will look like this in here, and you can put in the battery to fix it. Yeah. I also make because the battery fit very tight in the adapter, so when we need to replace the battery, and make a hole here so you can pry the battery out. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and then on this side you will somehow bend the diode, put the diode in, and bend it like this so it can connect to your camera. Yeah. There's a bar on the upper part of the adapter. You can hang the wire over there. Okay, this is one example of the result. Yeah, this way it looks pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, and next I will show you here is my camera. I put it in here, and it fit well. and then you then I will do a quick test of how you can it will look like this.